I know. Or did it? Dude, I'd be surprised if it took the Castmaster. Dude, it feels heavy on this light tackle, man. I have to let him go a little bit. Yeah. Dude, it's a catfish, dude. All right. Did he hit the Castmaster? What? Dude, don't even break off, dude. He did hit the Castmaster. What? Look at that. Everybody, have you ever seen this is a first for me, catfish on the Castmaster. Golly,
that's a good size one.
That's crazy. What?
I've never seen that.
I thought I snagged a buffalo or something, you guys, the way it was pulling. It's a big old channel cat. Excellent. This guy's going in a, it's coming with me. Look at that hook, is barely in there.
If you need to, you can
Wow.
do it now, bro. I ain't gonna steal them from you, I promise.
I got a stringer. I appreciate it, my man.
Okay.
God, look at that, y'all.
That's a nice size.
That's cool.
That's good eating.
Hey, go catch this guy.
I would. I'll take it.
I'll put that guy on a stringer and it'll be all right.
I ain't doing it. Fuck that. What's up, my buddy? I got speaker.
Now I need a couple cans of liquid courage before I do something like that.
I was like, it's kind of like something I want to try, but I'm scared
My
of shit.
buddy's
What's
missing
gonna come out
half
that
of
hole?
his middle finger because of that. I was like, brother, no.
I had just enough fun watching them girls do it on YouTube.
I'm offended. We were here yesterday and didn't get no catfish.
I wasn't even trying to fish for one.
We just fished
I'm just talking shit now.
We really don't know what all's out here.
Pretty much buffalo, carp, drum, gar, white bass. Yep. Yes, ma'am. White bass. That's cool. Look at that, everybody. That Castmaster, man, at it again on that white and a catfish. Can you believe that? Let's get this guy in a stringer.
I want to be mad. It's my fault for not going over there.
Well, we were hitting them right here.
I know, that's not like.
Oh shit! I'm about to lose him. See that? Because you wanted it. The Castmaster, man, the little silver slab. Well, you're about ready, cuz? All right, everybody. So we caught that one channel cat off the Castmaster, man. Look at that. Never fails me, man. So I always keep a bunch of them. And then a white bass. Other than that, we didn't get to shoot too much today. There's a gar right here in front of you. I don't know how you can see it. Watch. You got him? Oh,
No.
you suck.
I don't know how I missed it.
I know how. You suck. Ooh, there's two of them there. They came right out of that hole, huh? Oh! Come on. Finally.
Nice, good shot too.
And you totally redeem yourself.
Finally.
Cool. Hey, stick them on a stringer. It's right there. He's small enough to eat.
Yeah.
Oh, here he is. You got a gar what? Nah.
No. Got a culvert.
Got a covert? You catch it, you gotta eat it. That's a pretty one, man. That's number 2. But show off that pretty colors, man. Look at that. It's got like triple banded. You got a darker up here, and then this color here, and then well, 1, 2, 3, and then the belly 4.
Yeah.
That's a pretty fish.
Yeah. Throw him on the stringer too.
Cool.
Vader's getting it done again.
Nice. Right through the arrow hole.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Oh, I deserve that. You didn't get him all the way.
Yeah, I did.
Oh.
This arrow hole is way bigger.
Oh.
Oh, you and your stringer.
No, it's cool.
Come on now.
You didn't know the stringer?
No, I just got snagged on one of the little threads on it. I appreciate it. Cool. All right. Well, what do you think?
Call it? Yeah.
Want to call it?
Yeah. Unless you want to try to shoot one.
No, I'm good for today. Whew. All right, everybody, man. As you can see, the Castmaster kills. So if you can't get any bites, man, you go throw on one of them silver or ghost slabs right there. Something's bound to hit that bad boy. Caught a big old channel cat, white bass, 2 gar. Eli shot with the Vader.
I didn't try.
Oh,
But that was getting off.
oh shoot! I had that thing. Oh man, there you go. There you go, everybody. Got some fish right there. Join us next time, man, for another episode of Outdoors, everybody.